This is a quick demo of the Tickitap app. So this is the login screen, currently set up to just use all zeros as the pin. When you get in, you've got a number of options here. The first one we're going to take a look at is the config manager. So if you have a configuration saved already, you can click on the import config, and this will give you a list of all of the saved configs that you have. So if you've got different locations or you've got different events going on, you could have your config saved in here, and you just select the one that you want to use, and just by clicking on it, and then it'll download it and you'll have the chance to import it. If you go back here again, you can also save a config that you've set up on the tablet itself. So you just give it a name and click OK. And then if we go back to the main screen, you've got general settings. Click on the general settings here. Is just setting it up at a basic level. You can set the country, currency, language. Currently it's set up for the United States, US dollars and English. You can have your starting cash balance here, $200. You can also set up your receipt printer and your ticket printer. In this case, the app is set to use one of our SML printers via Wi-Fi. And you can see here that you can choose from other ones. It's also got Steam CLS as a different option as well. So Wi-Fi is what you're going to use if you're using the iPad version. So just select that again, go back. You can also look at the different layouts that you've got available for your tickets. You've got your different ticket types here. You've got child, season, adult, and a bunch of other options. You can have main entrance, demo tickets, whatever you need to have. And the tickets, you can just come in here. You can see the description of the tickets. You can set the colors for when the tickets are displayed on the actual POS side of things, and just other information about the tickets, sales rules. If there's a certain date that the tickets can be sold between, certain time of day, days of the week, all that stuff, taxes, other rules for the tickets. If you've got different roles, so if some of your users of the system might need to be an administrator or a supervisor to be able to sell this type of ticket, or you can just have it available to all users. So you can select the different roles here. You can also have food and beverage items under consumables. Again, it's the same thing, just some basic settings that you can go through and save it. You can see it's got a different color here, different price types, all of that stuff. And then there's just the roles, users that you can have as well, different tax type, different rules, currency types, payment, consumable, ticket types. So if we take it back to the home screen again, you can also see reports. Under reports, you'll get a breakdown of the tickets sold, tickets voided, the cash totals, tax totals, the breakdown of which tickets were sold. So you can see there were 3 main entrance tickets sold on this at a price of $20.50 per ticket. There were some discount tickets sold as well at $20 each, and then you get your full amount total at the end. And so this is available. You can also send it to print, and you can also have it email out as well. So if we go back to the home screen again, we can bring up the POS screen. This is where you're actually going to sell the tickets. So you can see we've got a number of options here, as we saw on the ticket setup screen. Main entrance tickets, discount tickets, child, adult, and then you can have your food and beverage here. You can have, currently it's on all items available, so you can have everything that's currently available. You can also break it down to just adult tickets, only child tickets, season tickets, family, food. And again, these categories are all customizable as well. So if we were to go ahead and sell an adult ticket, you can just click on this. Let's just sell 2 of them, and when I hit pay, you can decide how the tickets were paid for, if it was cash, credit card, or some other option. And in this instance, we're going to say that they were paid for with cash. So when I hit OK, you'll hear and see those tickets will print out of the printer that's connected. And again, it's all over Wi-Fi. And that's a basic rundown of it.